We will guide you through how to use Placeholder in Camtasia. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure that Camtasia is already installed on your device before starting this tutorial. Double-click Camtasia to open it and start your project. Click New Project to create your project and prepare a workspace for the placeholder example. Next, select the Media menu on the left side. Then, select the Media Bin option where your images and other media files are stored. Click the Import Media button to browse for the images you want to use. Select 3 images that you will use for this tutorial. Then, click the Open button to continue importing the selected files. Once the images have been successfully imported, they will appear in the Media Bin. Drag and drop the Guide Hub frame image onto the track first, so it can serve as the main frame. Then, select one image and drag and drop it onto track 2 above the frame. Adjust its position so that it fits inside the image area of the frame. Next, click the crop icon at the top. Adjust the image so that it fits properly inside the frame without leaving unwanted areas outside the designated space. After that, focus on the image on the track and make sure the correct image is selected. Right-click the image, then select the Convert to Placeholder option from the available menu. The selected area will then become a placeholder that can later be replaced with another image. You can also adjust the placeholder area size on the preview screen to make sure it matches the frame perfectly. Next, select another image from the Media Bin and drag and drop it onto the placeholder area on the track. Then, click the Replace option that appears to replace the existing placeholder content with the new image. Check the preview screen to confirm that the replacement image fits correctly within the placeholder and frame.